If you think I'm gonna stand out there all day listening to then you must have coral wedged in your frontal lobe.
And I must say I've grown rather fond of the young lad.
Hello, secret camera.
Doesn't he deserve a chance for someone to take him under their wing? As I have taken you under mine?
Knuckles, you've been watching way too many Lifetime movies and drinking lemonade. What a stupid idea. Who wants a Krabby Patty at 3 in the morning?
Oh boy, 3 a.m. Now, 8 o'clock. So long, suckers. I've got a date with my video game, PS5.
Are you open?
Read the sign.
I'll have a Krabby Patty Deluxe and a double-sided kelp fries.
No, you won't.